So I'm replacing my empty slots here with DSTC button and the mirror button. Actually the folding mirrors won't work, but they're actually just for decorative purposes. It's kind of a stupid mod, but I prefer to have them have markings on them rather than a blank one. So it's easy to replace it. You just like pull this up and then it will just budge out, and then yeah, that's it. So I'm done, and let's see what will happen. Do this back in. I start it. Our pressure mirror is still there. Parking sensor. Kind of weird. Okay, so I have to like rearrange it. So the DSTC right now is over here, and this one is dummy, doesn't do anything. Okay, now when I turn it on, it should trigger that that symbol out there. It's kind of weird that this light is opposite. Yeah. Somehow it's the opposite. So it turns on, so you need to like, somehow it's like the opposite, but yeah, it's fine. Actually, you need to press it longer. Very weird. Okay. Then the rear AC, that's correct. Okay. So I'm going to put it back now. So somehow there's a specific location for this bottom. This one is just dummy.